Hi, today we are making a origami paper crane. All you need is one square piece of paper. And make sure to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss any more videos. Let's get right into it. First, you fold it diagonally so you get a triangle. Next, you fold it again so you get a smaller triangle. Oops. Okay, then you leave it like this so it's kind of an L. Okay, and if you look closely, you would see a little opening. You see the opening?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so just push that down. Push the opening down. Okay. And keep open and put one finger in and then push it down. Okay. So, next step, you turn it over. And you see this crease right here? This one? Right there, that crease. If you can fold it the other way. Yeah, like that. Fold it the other way. So like this, this. And then now, since now it was partially stay up by itself. I'll crease it a little more. There you go. So now you see the opening again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now just push it down. Oh, and a tip, if you can put your finger inside here and push down so it gets a good crease, and then you can slide your finger out. Okay, next step. There are two ways to do this. You could just go right ahead and make just fold, or here's how I like to do it. I fold these two edges, corner like that, and make sure the open part's at the bottom. Make sure the open part's at the bottom.
Did I do the right part?
You did it right. You did it right. And then make sure the open part's at the bottom. So go like this, and then you make sure the open part is here.
Mm-hmm.
So the tip is at the bottom. Okay. And then do the other one too.
Like the other side?
Both. So you do other side and so do that, and she's doing the other side. So it can be both, and then do the other side. So like this, fold down, that, and fold down, like this again. So you have triangle, long diamond. We call it a long diamond. And then you kind of open those up so they little like stick out. You don't want these to overlap.
Oh, okay.
You don't want it to overlap. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You want it to go like that. Okay, so this side.
Okay.
Okay, so then you just let this out to hang.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now you see, just push it out so the crease is still there. Yeah, good. And you want to open this side up. Open this side up. Don't open all of it. Yeah, there you go. This step most people kind of mess up on. So you want to fold it back so there's a crease in the middle, kind of. Crease in the middle. And then you fold that down and these sides will kind of curve in. So then you fold that like that. There you go. And then like that. Need help?
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay. So these sides are still going. I'll fold it back. Fold it back. So it's still a curve. It's still there, but it's not fully there. And then once that, you fold it down. You don't need to you don't want to crease it that much. You want to just do a light crease.
Mm-hmm.
And then do that on the other side too. There you go. And then now I flip it over and do the same. There. And then. There we go. And there we go. Yep.
That?
Oh, you got it. Nice.
Did that overlap?
Overlapping? Yeah, you don't want it to overlap. Okay, once you have that, these two bottom parts that fold, it's kind of like legs. You want it to open up the side. Open up the side. Yeah. Put one finger in the middle of these two lines right there. So you have this crease here, right there. And take your thumb and lift up to the bottom. And fold like that, and fold like that. Good job.
track?
Yeah, you have the right track, and then you wanna boop, and then boop. There you go. There you go. Okay, so you have this, and then do the same on the other side. Boop, and then there you go.
Let's see. What part do I lift up?
So you open it up. Remember? Open it up. Put your finger here. Hold up. Hold up. Come together. There you go. There you go. And if it's in too close so you can't see it, like this one, you're gonna pull it out a little bit. There you go. Okay, so now you can choose which side you want the head on. Either of these sides, which one? This one? Okay. So then the head, you wanna just fold that down and then curve that. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take mine on this side. So you fold it down and then curve. Fold it, no, you fold it down and then, no, wait, you don't want to fold it down all the way. Fold it like down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
Fold it down like this, flat, and then you take these two corners, pinch, there you go. There you go. And this is the crane. If you like it, then if you like it, you can fold these wings down and make sure, like, just fold them down and then do the same on the other side. And if you want to get the wings perfect, you do the other side. You make sure the tips match up. Tips match up. So then you have a crane.
Ooh. Mm-hmm.
You want to fold your wings in?
Yeah.
Fold them down a little more. There you go. That's 1 and 2. There you go. This is how you make a crane. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos. Goodbye.